It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa, Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and in today's DIY, we're gonna take that old sweater from winter fit to springtime lit. So let's get started. So I'm starting with a ribbed sweater that I got from Forever 21, and I'm just gonna cut out the neck so that it can be off the shoulder. You don't want to cut too far down, just like right below the neckline, and then I'm also cutting off the bottom so that it can be a little bit cropped for spring. Now you can stop right here, but I wanted to add like a distressed lettuce hem, so I'm gonna head over to my sewing machine. And it's super easy to create a lettuce hem on ribbed fabric. If you're gonna do a distressed one, then you won't need to hem the sweater like I didn't do. But if you want to create like a regular one, like the Brandy Melville ones, you do need to hem your fabric first. But all you're gonna do is the same technique. You're gonna pull the fabric using a zigzag stitch, making sure the needle goes off and on the fabric with each stitch. And this is what you end up with. Now there's tons of videos already on YouTube on how to do a lettuce hem, but if you want a more detailed one from me, then leave a comment down below. Moving on to the next sweater, I just want to create this as an easy peasy bandeau top. So we're just going to cut off the bottom. I love that this sweater had like stripes, so it kind of creates a design in itself. And after that, I was pretty much done with this one, but I was like, nah bruh, let's make a choker. We got these sleeves. So I'm just going to cut off a couple of pieces until I find one that fits around my big head enough to create the choker. I hope you enjoyed this super easy DIY. Don't forget, if you tried this, I would love to see it, so hashtag LisaDIY. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.